How to create Notion planner. If you want to create a Notion planner to stay organized, then follow this instruction. First, make sure that you have downloaded Notion on your phone. After that, click on the search bar and open Notion. Now make sure to log into your account. After that, on this home page, you can see this different planner. Simply choose the planner that you want to create. For example, if you want to add planner for your travel, then click on this travel planner. Here you can find different listings, and according to your preference you can change these listings and the descriptions on it. So after you are done, and if you want to share this with your friends, simply click on the share button on the top right corner and share this link to your friends so that they can also access your planner. You can also customize your page and font according to your liking, and after you are done you can simply close this. So this is how you can create Notion planner on your phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.